Hello, my name is Kyla Lee, and I'm a representative from Team Magma Robotics 3008. This is our team, Team Magma Robotics. Our mission and vision is to establish, evaluate, and refine goals through STEM, create an environment that raises and prepares leaders, and provide opportunities that advance equity and diversity by providing a better future. To address COVID-19 pandemic, it was a very chaotic year, which had everyone scrambling to purchase emergency supplies and personal protective equipment, such as PPE, where the demand for this was higher than ever, with products literally flying off the shelves. So we used this as a pivot point and addressed a specific problem in our community. We did this with our Makemobile, which is a retrofitted shipping container powered by solar panels and saltwater batteries that houses 4 3D printers, 3 laser cutters, and a mini CNC handbot. Our goal for this was to make technology more accessible by taking our mobile lab across the island to share STEM. Using our Make Mobile or mobile lab, we were able to address these specific COVID-19 necessities, such as 3D printing face guards, and we 3D printed hundreds of them for the state of Hawaii, which receiving a letter of appreciation from Lieutenant Governor Josh Green. In addition, we 3D printed face guards for the Department of Education, which we did a new model for face shields that not only allowed it to be adjustable to reduce tension on the head, but also we created 3D pins that would allow the plastic shield to stay up and stay in place. We also partnered with Hawaiian Telecom in creating touchless door hooks that would eliminate the user's direct contact with day-to-day items such as a door. And we modeled this out of wood and acrylic using our Makemobile. But we realized it was too fragile, so we decided to cast it in aluminum, which is something we've never done before. And it was really interesting because we melted down old robot parts and used that to cast our touchless door hook. Another thing that we did for COVID-19 was flute shields, because blowing air through instruments canceled and stopped a lot of bands from playing. So we not only partnered with our school's band department, but we also reached out to other schools around the island and produced over 170 flute shields. Training and legacy. We wanted to inspire a future that we would leave behind. And due to COVID, we couldn't meet a lot in person, so we started hosting a lot of virtual events through Zoom and other virtual online platforms, where we did weekly minutes on projects that we're doing and updates on where it needs to go, as well as training sessions, so 1 to 2 hour programming, mechanical, and electrical meetings, as well as hosting 2 mechanical lessons a week that were in person, separating the groups so that we would be following COVID-19 guidelines. Diversity in STEM, empowering women in STEM, and giving more opportunities to girls. We do this through our GTech program, which stands for Girls in Technology, Engineering, and Computing, which addresses the historical lack of women in STEM, with the model of by girls, for girls. This is normally an annual week-long science camp that would be hosted in person at Kalani, and with the main goal of promoting girls' passion in STEM. What's really interesting about GTech is that it's a fully student-led program. So from designing flyers to advertising, creating lesson plans, even teaching the class, it's all student-led. So this year we're planning on doing a virtual GTech to still get out there and be present in giving opportunities to minorities. One thing that we did this year was Girl Scout GTech by partnering with Troop 675, 194, and 873, which provided a virtual education on cybersecurity and how to be safe online. One of the classes that we taught was a specific cybersecurity GTech class. We also did Armed Services, YMCA, which is an annual camp that we teach at, and we've been volunteering here for 7 years. We teach EV3 and VexIQ robotics by providing robotics to a specific demographic of military children from grades 4 to 8. And this really goes back to the making STEM more accessible and everything that we do as a team, making it more accessible and easier for people to get involved and be motivated.